For example 1, you can tell right away that the equation is decaying, which means decrease. I know this because the fraction has to be less than 1.
Therefore, the fraction of the equation is less than 1, so it is decreasing. So this one. So to find the y-intercept, which we need to find next, is you have to plug in 0 for x. So it's going to be y equals -2, 1/2, 0 plus 1 plus 4. Then we're going to solve. It's 1 plus 4, y equals -2, half plus 4, y equals -1 plus 4, y equals 3.
You should get an answer of 3, so therefore your y-intercept should be 0, 3.
Now to find the asymptote, so our y-intercept is 0, 3. Now to find that asymptote, usually I know if it has a fraction or whole number raised to the x. If it has a whole number at the end, or a negative number, or something that's added at the end, it would be its asymptote. So in this case, the asymptote would be 4, and if there isn't a number after the parenthesis, the raised to the power, it would be 0.
The domain is usually all real numbers. The only way it wouldn't be is if there's even roots. Right? And a 0.
Now, with all these things, we can do the graph. Okay, so 4 is our asymptote, so that is where the line meets before the curve. So our asymptote is 4. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And since it's decreasing, we know that it's going to be going down. So our asymptote is right here, and our y-intercept is here. So decreasing, so the arrow, see, it goes up and it goes through the y-intercept. The arrow is going down because it is decreasing.
For example number 2, we know it's growth because there's a positive in the parentheses.
Now to find the y-intercept, we have to plug in again x for 0.
I mean 0 for x.
Yeah. So it would be solving 3 plus 2, which is y equals 5. So that is our y. So our y-intercept would be 0, 5.
The asymptote would be 2 because that's the ending.
And it's off of the domain is all real numbers because there's not a root in the equation or a 0 in the domain.
Asymptote's at 2, so we know it's increasing. So then you go to 5.
So it should look like that. It should be gross because it's increasing. And 0, 5 is your y-intercept. 2 is your Now, the next thing we have to do is, with our things, as x goes to -infinity, so it's going down, y equals 2. No, excuse me. Y equals -infinity. Wait. Yes, -infinity. And as x goes to positive infinity, it's going towards our asymptote, which is 4. For this one, as x goes to -infinity, y is going to our asymptote, which is 2. And then as x goes to -infinity, y is going to positive infinity. Okay.